Hi, I'm Helena. Today we're going to talk about what to do if you have thick hair. Do you have thick hair or do you just have a lot of hair? There's an easy way to check it out. So pull out a strand of your hair, put it between your fingers. Go ahead, I know you want to. So if you don't feel anything at all, that means you have fine hair. If you feel a little something, that means you have medium hair. If you feel a strong piece of hair that's actually rolling, that means you have coarse, dense hair. Typically, if you have thick hair, it tends to be a little bit more oily. And on some rare occasions, it can be extremely oily, or you can have an extremely oily patch of hair. So on those occasions, you want to wash every day. So take your shampoo and really concentrate in that area that's very, very oily, shampooing every day. Typically you can go every other day or maybe every 2 to 3 days depending on how oily your scalp is. Now natural oils are good for your hair, but too many can actually suffocate the scalp and lead to other problems. If you have thick hair, there's 3 types of shampoos you want to use. I like to use ones that are smoothing, paraben-free, sulfate-free. I like ones that are 100% vegan. Things with more natural products are actually going to be better for your hair. Smoothing will actually soften up the cuticle a little bit so that way your hair is more workable and more pliable. Detoxing your hair once in a while is really good as well. You want to remove all those oils. Whenever you accumulate a lot of oils, that can also accumulate a lot of buildup. If it's extremely oily, you can use Detox every day and maybe throw the smoothing in once or twice a month. If it's not as oily, maybe use your smoothing shampoo a little bit more frequently and throw your Detox shampoo in once or twice a month. What the Detox shampoo will do is actually remove any buildup of products, medications, any type of buildup that you may have in that hair. So dry shampoo is something good to use in between your shampoos if you feel like you have a little bit of an oil buildup. What this will do is help to kind of clean up those oils and help it smell fresh. You don't want to let those oils build up too much because they will actually accumulate and cause more problems. So to wash your hair, you want to make sure your hair is detangled before you get into the shower. Make sure it's extremely wet before putting shampoo to it. Put about a nickel-size shampoo into your hand, emulsify it, rubbing it together, getting all those ingredients activated. Start with any area of the scalp that might be a little bit more oily and really concentrate on that scalp, scrubbing it really, really good. If you're not getting enough lather and you need to do it again, add some more shampoo or more water to the hair before you remove all of that shampoo from the hair. Rinse thoroughly. I like to rinse with cool water because cool water will actually close up that cuticle. So every time you shampoo your hair, you need to condition your hair. Again, pick a product that is sulfate-free, paraben-free, 100% vegan, things with good ingredients in it because those are going to really react to your hair a lot better. You want to condition every single time. I also like to deep condition every time you're going to use a detox shampoo or deep condition as often as possible. Whenever you use a deep conditioner, you want to make sure you have time to leave it in at least 15 minutes or more. You can even step out of the shower, go for a walk, go to hot yoga, clean the house, come back and rinse it out, but leaving it in, the longer the better. Another conditioner you want to use on a daily basis is a leave-in conditioner. A leave-in conditioner will actually stay in the hair. This does not rinse out, you leave it in, and you can leave this in to keep the hair smooth all day. So after you've shampooed your hair, you don't need to rinse a lot of the water out. Take your conditioner, about the size of a nickel, emulsify it, rubbing it between your hands. This time you're going to want to start on the ends of the hair. You're going to want to focus on the ends to about mid-shaft. You don't need to put the conditioner at the scalp because you have enough oils at the scalp already. So really deep condition those ends, leaving it in the shower at least 5 minutes. If you're deep conditioning, you want to leave it in about 15 to 20 minutes or more if you can. Rinse with cool water, that will close the cuticle back up, and the hair should be shiny all day. Follow with the leave-in conditioner after you get out of the shower. Always try to rinse with cool water, that will close up the cuticle, and when you get out of the shower and you're detangling, use a wide tooth comb to detangle.